Welcome to the Wonder Trails USA YouTube channel. Today, we bring you a unique experience, Yoga Art by Pool. The calm environment of nature, the blue touch of water, and an amazing yoga practice to keep both body and mind healthy. Friends, to keep the body healthy, rest alone is not enough. Regular exercise every day is very important, and yoga is such an exercise that keeps the body, mind, and breath healthy together. Friends, today we will share a new experience with you. In this yoga art exercise, every muscle of the body works slowly. It makes the body flexible, reduces back, neck, and waist pain, improves blood circulation, and brings new energy to the body. As a result, both the body and mind stay healthy. Friends, practicing yoga beside a pool has special benefits. Being close to water calms the mind quickly, reduces stress, and greatly increases concentration. For those who suffer from work pressure, worries, or mental fatigue all day, this yoga practice is truly very beneficial. Friends, if you feel like it, you can try it once. Friends, many people practice this type of yoga because it keeps the body beautiful and balanced, helps control weight, improves sleep, and increases self-confidence. Friends, a healthy life is not a luxury, it is our necessity. By practicing yoga for just a short time every day, you will feel more refreshed, stronger, and calmer. If you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the Wonder Trails USA channel. Stay healthy, stay beautiful. See you again in a new video. Thank you.